Sunday breakfast. So today I'm going to make the Denny's classic moon over my hammy. It's actually a very simple recipe. Basically, moon over my hammy. You got your eggs, the moon. You got your hammy, which is the ham. You got two different types of cheese. You got Swiss and American classic, and then you got sourdough bread. All right. So let me show you how you do it. First thing you do is get your griddle nice and hot. And then I'm going to put a little bit of butter down because I like the flavor of butter. And I've got these molds, which I'm going to spray a little bit. All right, so the egg don't stick to the inside, just like that. Take a couple eggs, crack them inside. Listen to them sizzle already. Oh yeah. All right. Now, I'm actually going to break these and stir them up a little bit. Forgot salt and pepper. Right. I'm actually going to use a little bit of Blackstone Steakhouse, which is basically salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. All the flavors that I like. So I'm going to put a little bit of this in each one, and we're good to go. At the same time, my ham. Get that one up. Whew. All right, so there. I'm going to keep this warm over here while I'm cooking my eggs up over on this side. And when I slide those off, you can see, there you go, boom. Perfectly round. Ooh, all right. A couple pieces of sourdough bread. Come on. Yeah, baby. All right. Now I'm gonna need lots of butter because you want these to soak up all that butter and not get nice and brown. All right. So make sure everything's staying nice and warm. Ooh, come on over there. Hot shit. Ooh, hot. All right. Okay, looking good. All right, so first we're going to start off Swiss on one side, American white on the other. Then take my egg. Boom. Boom, just like that. Season the other side. And now we're going to stack the ham. Yeah. This is looking good already. Now, all right. Now, we just want to melt the cheese. Couple minutes on each side. Let that go. Ooh. Oh man, scrumptious. All right. Ooh, I can't wait. Oh my God, this looks so good. Cheese is melting. Bread's getting crispy. I told you this was simple. Oh man, the cheese is starting to melt out. All right, I'm gonna say that's done. Oh man, oh, it's already melting cheese all over. I want you to get a close-up of this. This cheese is melting all over. The egg is starting to, whew. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Ugh. Look at this. Let's give it a try. That took less than 10 minutes to make. And most of that was heating up the griddle and getting all the stuff ready. This. Awesome. Simple, easy Sunday breakfast. Make it, try it, tell me what you think. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment below, tell me what you'd like to see me cook next, and we'll see you on the next cook. All right, thanks.